home remedy for dark underarms. Do you feel shy wearing sleeveless clothes and trashing all your tank tops because of dark underarms? It is not a medical problem and it is caused due to excessive sweating, hormonal imbalance, usage of chemical based deodorants, accumulation of dead skin, and sun exposure, etc. There is no need to suffer with the dark underarms any longer. We are here to help you for lightening your underarms. However, there are many underarm lightening treatments available in the market, but the chemical present in these cosmetic products will do more harm rather than clear darkness in your underarms. So, the best solution is to prepare your natural home remedies which are safe and work best in whitening your dark underarms. The home remedy we are talking about is a baking soda. Yes, what you read is correct. As is often used for cooking and baking purposes, baking soda is a true favorite remedy that can help you in whitening your armpit. Benefits of baking soda. Baking soda is a gentle exfoliator that can remove dead skin cells from the surface of your skin and promotes production of new cells. Baking soda also has bleaching properties that helps inhibit excessive melanin production and helps to lighten the area without harming the skin. It acts as a drying agent that effectively absorbs the excessive oil and unclogs the pores to prevent darkness in the armpit. It acts as a natural deodorant that helps to prevent that bad odor comes out from your underarms. It improves skin complexion, it relieves sunburns and sunburn blisters. It is used for decreasing acne and pimples. It has great cleansing properties. We are here to share our valuable experience with you that which helps you in avoiding your dark underarms. Here is a simple, safe home remedy tip by using a baking soda. Ingredients: baking soda, maida flour, milk. Preparation: take an empty clean bowl and add 1 tablespoon baking powder. Now add 1 to 2 teaspoons of maida flour into the bowl. Now add 5 teaspoons of raw milk to make that mixture a smooth paste. Directions: first, wash your underarms with warm water. Now apply the baking soda paste in affected area. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Now wash with cool water. Home remedies for neck darkness. Neck darkness is a common problem and visible to everyone that can make you feel embarrassed and also make your appearance dull. So people are attracted to thousands of products that are available in the market, but these products are made of harmful chemicals which can cause additional damage to your skin. Here we can see simple and easy home remedies to reduce neck darkness by following 3 steps. Step 1. Steaming. Direction: take a bowl of medium hot water, take a napkin and dip into that water and squeeze water from napkin. Now place that napkin on your neck for steaming purpose. Repeat this process for 2 to 3 times. By following these steps, pores are opened and also remove dirt from pores of your neck. While your pores are open, then you have to go for next step, that is scrubbing. Step 2. Scrubbing. Ingredients: rice flour, raw milk. Direction: take a clean bowl. Now add 2 teaspoons of rice flour into the bowl. Now add 4 teaspoons of raw milk and mix thoroughly to make a fine paste. Apply this paste on your neck and circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes to get rid of wrinkles and get skin whitened. Now wash your skin with water. Step 3. Pack. Ingredients: curd, multani mitti, aloe vera gel. Directions: take a clean bowl. Now add 1 teaspoon of multani mitti. Now add 1 teaspoon of curd. Now add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Mix thoroughly to make a fine paste. Apply this on your neck area in a circular motion. Wash your neck with clean water. Repeat this process twice a week. Ingredients used in a pack can help to get smooth, whitened neck. But you have to follow scrubbing at least once in a week so that you will not get a neck darkness early. Conclusion: if you follow all these three steps, you will get smooth and whitened neck easily.